Hello, welcome back to yet another episode of all you need to know about the oral health. And on this episode, we'll be looking at dentistry solution to obesity, or dentistry solution to weight loss. What has dentistry got to offer in terms of weight loss? A lot. So that's what we're looking into today. A lot of people want to lose weight for different reasons. People want to look sexy and sweet, get the figure 8. And some other people want to get the 6 packs, look sharp, fit and attractive. And people do a lot of things in order to achieve these desires. Like people go into exercise, they hit the gym, engage in different kind of exercises, while some go to strict dieting. They follow specific or they eat specific kind of food for a period of time till they're able to achieve their desired shape, while some other use different kind of weight loss accessories like the tummy belt, the arm belt and all that. Some people also use slimming teas. So in addition to these things, there is one solution dentistry has also profiled. Now this solution is not done independently of other. You can also do it in collaboration with other methods. And this is orthodontics jaw wiring. Well, as we proceed, I'm going to break it down to a better understanding. But before then, keep watching and don't leave. Orthodontic jaw wiring is known as maxillomandibular fixation. From the name, maxillo is known as the upper jaw, while mandible is the lower jaw. Then the fixation there means they are being fixed together. So it is usually done in the dental clinic by an orthodontist. It's a simple procedure, not really painful, but it's one that ensures strict discipline if you really want to lose weight. Aside weight loss, which is a secondary reason why people do jaw wiring, the main reason or the primary reason for orthodontic jaw wiring is in case you have jaw deformity. Maybe the jaw is not properly aligned, or you have a TMJ dysfunction. TMJ means temporomandibular jaw, or any problem with the jaw at all. But for the purpose of today's video, we'll be dwelling basically on orthodontic wiring for weight loss. You don't need to have any jaw deformity to do this wiring. It's just to make sure that the jaw are kind of placed together a little bit to ensure strict discipline in terms of dieting. Orthodontic jaw wiring is done in such a way that the movement between the jaw is restricted, and it is done by an orthodontist. So they use brackets and an orthodontic wire. Now the bracket is placed on the canine, first premolar and second premolar. These 3 is enough for the both sides of the teeth, up, down. Then the orthodontic wire is now connected together in a cross-like way. So after this wiring, it is done in such a way that at least the patient or the person can talk. You can move the jaw sideways a little bit and also upwards. So that is how this jaw wiring is being done. If you want to get a very good result in terms of your weight loss, like an impressive result, at least wear it for 1 month upwards. 1 month or 6 weeks, that's a month and 2 weeks. You can wear it, and I can assure you, at the end of 1 month, you will see an alarming result. The result is usually very impressive. A lot of people who has done this come back with good result, like you see an obvious weight loss. Okay, during this period, it's very, very important that you take your oral hygiene serious, because during this period the mouth is not open and you won't be able to brush inner part of your teeth and some of the other part. So it's very important during this period you take care of your teeth. Clean the parts you can see, clean it very well, and make sure you eat. Yes, your diet is usually restricted to fluid, but then you can blend different kind of food. Like if you want to take fruits, you get them, blend it to liquid, then sip it. You can also take soup, like maybe pepper soup, the liquid, anything liquid can go. So just try to get as much as a lot of vitamins and nutrients in your diet, even if you are limited to fluid. Try as much as possible to take in things that very good for your body. You are basically limited to blended. At first it really feel awkward, something you're not used to. You see the shawarma or the meats and all that, and you can't eat it. It's not easy. It's not really easy. It's very tempting. Like you feel like, what, I'm done losing weight, take this thing off. But if you're very patient, you're gonna get your result. So that period, most of your favorite diets, you might not be able to eat them, and you just have to stick to a new diet, one step at a time. If we come to get used to it for the period of time you should, and as soon as it's done, don't jump back to your old diet. Still maintain, keep dieting, so that you don't go back. With this, we'll come to the end of today's video. I hope you got one of two things. So if you have someone out there who's obviously obese and can't wait to lose weight, or probably has tried a lot of things to lose weight but is not yielding, recommend this to the person. But mind you, it's not easy. You just have to make up your mind to do this, and if you do it, you will see rapid results. And please, by the time you take off the wire, try as much as possible to still maintain this discipline in terms of diet. Don't go back to the kind of food you ate before. Try to still maintain dieting, to keep in shape. And don't stop exercising as well. Keep exercising, keep doing some of these things you did during this period, because consistency is the thing. Don't just do things once and when you get results you stop. If you stop, it goes back. So consistency is very important if you really want to maintain your new shape. Thank you very much, and see you here next episode. And I really appreciate it if you leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube. I really want to keep engaging with you. It's fun up here, and I'm sure you're enjoying it. So share to your social media platform. If you're wondering how to share, if you look down, there's a share button with an arrow. Click the share button, share it to your social media platform, invite your friends to subscribe and benefit just like you. And remember, the goal is to improve your smile one video at a time. Thank you very much.